Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be learning how to apply these beautiful and festive gel nail stickers by Artify Nails. I love them and they are so easy to apply. Make sure that you have clean and dry nails before you start with this manicure. Let's start with step 1. So first choose the sticker that perfectly fits the nail shape and size that you have. For example, I have this snowman sticker right here and it fits perfectly on my thumb. The next step is to remove a transparent layer that is on the sticker and it can easily be peeled off. Grab a filer which comes already in this kit and you can just file off the excess sticker like I'm doing in this video. It will easily be trimmed and your nail art is ready. You can repeat the same steps for all the remaining nails and your beautiful manicure is ready in just a few minutes. This is how my nails look like and they are beautiful. And these stickers last for up to 10 days. I've also shared a small clip of how these look after 10 days and they still are in great shape. I love them. As easy it is to apply this manicure, it is super simple to remove it as well. You just peel off or you can dip your fingers in lukewarm water for 10 minutes and they'll come right off. I hope you liked today's video. Wishing you all a very happy new year and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.